My name is Shamina binti Mozi, and I want to talk about introduction of solar energy. Solar energy is defined as a total energy of the sun radiated through visible light and unseen electromagnetic wave to the surface of the earth. Solar energy system refer to any technology that convert the sun energy into another form of energy such as heat, electricity. Solar radiation that reach the surface of the earth will undergo a process of reflection, dispersion, and distribution. Typically, only 50% reach the Earth's surface, 30% directly, and 20% from light distribution. Solar energy is emitted throughout the form of electromagnetic wave that will reach Earth at about 1 billion watts. The average monthly sunshine is 4,000 to 5,000 watt-hour per square meter, and the number of hours of sunshine is 4 to 800. Solar energy is renewable source, free, non-polluted, and potentially widely used everywhere in the world at any point as long as sunlight hits the surface of the earth. Since solar energy comes from the sun, it represents a continuously and limitless source of power. Renewable energy technologies generate electricity from resources that are infinite compared to producing electricity with renewable resources to doing so with fossil fuels. It took hundreds of thousands of years for oil, gas, and coal to form. The use of solar energy is not new and has been used in 1954. Bell Labs developed the first silicon photovoltaic cell. As solar power begins to become a viable source of electricity to power devices over extended periods of time. The first solar cell converted solar radiation to electricity is an efficiency of 4%. But nowadays, many widely available solar panels today can convert sunlight to a solar power at above 20% efficiency, and the number constantly on the rise.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Isni Akila. So I will explain about schematic diagram of solar power plant. First thing first, we need to know that solar power plant has four main components. It is solar panels, controller, battery, and inverter. So I will explain what is the uses of the main components first. First is solar panels. Okay, solar panel is used to convert solar energy into electrical energy. Solar cell is the energy generating unit. It's the heart of the solar power. Made of P-type and N-type silicon semiconductor. And then for battery, it is used to store energy offline, DC. And then move to controller. It is for battery. It is used to store offline energy, DC. And then last, the inverter. It is for to convert DC current to AC current. Okay, next I will explain about the working principle of a solar power plant. For the working principle, as sunlight falls over solar cells, We know that solar cell have two type of region, p-type and n-type region. So a large number of photons will first. Electron and hole pair will get separated after absorbing the energy of the photons. Electron travels from P to N due to action of electric field at the p-n junction. So then to increase the electric field, the diode is reverse bias. From there, this current starts flowing in circuit solar cells, and then combination of all the current, we will get a significant amount of output. So basically, solar power plant have large number of solar panels. Combination of the all current, we will get a significant output. So solar power plant have a large number of solar panels connected to each other to get a large output. So electrical energy coming from there will be stored in lithium-ion battery to be supplied at night when there is no sunlight.
Hi everyone! So I want to tell you about the advantages of solar energy. Did you know that the energy sun provides the earth for 1 hour could meet the global energy needs for 1 year? Clearly, the sun is a powerful energy source, and even though we are not able to collect a fraction of this energy, yet harnessing this power by installing solar panels can make a significant difference to the planet. While it has been widely criticized for being expensive or inefficient, solar energy has now proved to be extremely beneficial not only for the environment but also for the private economy. Thanks to available solar panel grants as well as the increasingly competitive prices in the market, solar energy has become the main source of energy for more and more families. The technology has been drastically improved the last years and have been complemented by solar battery storage system, turning solar into a significantly more efficient source of clean energy. First advantage of solar energy is a renewable, sustainable and environmentally friendly clean energy sources which are available every day of the year, produce some energy even on cloudy days. This is correct. Solar energy is environmentally green energy and virtually free to produce once your system is up and running. Among all the benefits of solar energy, the most important thing is the solar energy is a truly renewable energy source. It can be harnessed in all areas of the world and is available every day. We cannot run out of solar energy unlike some of the other sources of energy. The second advantages of solar energy is it can reduce electricity bills and can increase the value of homes. Again, this is true since you are generating your own power and therefore only have to pay for the power you consume that is above and beyond what your solar system generates. Some estimates suggest that the average household with a solar system will see 50% of their monthly energy requirements being generated from their solar panel, and most people would see a 50% monthly electricity bill saving as a highly attractive prospect. Advantage of solar system is it can be installed anywhere from remote field location to city buildings. Solar energy have no moving mechanical parts. This is true except in cases of sun tracking mechanical bases which represent a small minority of current solar system. As a result of this mechanical system simplicity, solar energy requires very little maintenance or associated costs, and they are very reliable with many solar cells and solar panels being guaranteed for 25 years. The fourth advantages of solar energy is its various application. This is one of the exciting and highly valuable aspect of solar energy. Solar cell and solar panels lend themselves to many variations in system configurations for use in both on-grid and off-grid solar power solution. These range from the familiar rooftop and ground-based solar installation to the latest solar panel building facades to versatile city centers, standalone solar charging stations, and portable charging devices to many more. Next, my point is no maintenance cost as solar panels last for more than 30 years. Solar energy systems generally don't require a lot of maintenance. You only need to keep them relatively clean. So, cleaning them a couple of times per year will do the job. If in doubt, you can always rely on specialized cleaning companies. Most reliable solar panel manufacturers offer 20 to 25 years warranty. Solar energy also uses batteries to store extra power at night. Solar generated power can be stored in batteries during the day and used at night. Absolutely, again, this is the highly attractive features of solar power. Solar energy provides energy reliability, energy independence, and security. Solar system can earn income by feeding any excess supply back into the local grid. This is one of the fundamental advantages of solar power, making for a strong financial case in favor. Last point is solar system technology is in constant development and safer than traditional electricity. Technology in the solar power industry is constantly advancing and improvements will intensify in the future. Innovations in quantum physics and nanotechnology can potentially increase the effectiveness of solar panels and double or even triple the electrical inputs of the solar power system. Solar electricity is one way to power our home or business that benefits the environment. There are no direct greenhouse gas emissions because the electricity is made from sunlight rather than burning fossil fuels. Sunlight is a renewable energy source, meaning we will never run out of it. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Ahmad Faiz bin Shaharin and now I will continue to talk about the disadvantages of solar energy. The first disadvantages of solar energy system is it is too expensive. The cost to purchase a solar energy system is too high. Paying for solar panels, inverter, batteries, wiring and even installation costs us a lot of money. Next, the second disadvantages of solar energy system is it is weather dependent. Weather dependence means that the efficiency of solar system will drop during cloudy and rainy days. Cloudy and rainy days can affect the radiation reaching the solar panel. This shows that solar energy system only depend on sunlight to effectively gather solar energy and it cannot be used at night. When I say that this solar system cannot be used at night, it means that this solar energy system cannot work during night. Yes, we can use the energy at night because the energy was gathered and was put in the batteries. What I mean is it cannot be used at night. It means that the solar system cannot work at night because there are no sunlight to be collected. The third disadvantages of solar energy system is it uses a lot of space. When we need more electricity, it means that we need more space. Like examples, if we want to install the solar energy system in our home, we need a very large roof, and not all people have a very large roof in their house. It estimated that we need 5 to 10 acres of land per megawatts to produce a sufficient electrical energy. Lastly, the disadvantages of solar energy system is it may associated with pollution. Yes, we may rarely heard about a pollution caused by solar energy system because it is far less compared to other sources of energy, but it is still there. There are 2 points that I want to talk about when I say that solar energy system also can contribute to pollution. The first point is transportation and installation have been associated with emission of greenhouse effect. The transportation using trucks can release a greenhouse gas like carbon dioxide. For the second point is the manufacturing process of solar photovoltaic system use some toxic materials and hazardous products like example sulfuric acid, hydrogen fluoride, hydrochloric acid, indium, gallium, arsenic, and others hazardous materials. These toxic and hazardous materials can affect the environment. That's all from me about the disadvantages of solar energy system. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, I'm Khadijah. So today I'm going to talk about potential location for solar energy in Malaysia. As you know, Malaysia is located in equatorial region, which means our weather is hot and humid throughout the year. Since Malaysia has a high level of temperature, we should use solar energy. So, in order to know which location we want to build a solar station, we must know the accurate information about the intensity of solar radiation at a given location. For your information, Malaysia has average monthly solar radiation approximately 400 to 600 megajoule per meter square. It will become higher when northeast monsoon hits and lower when it is in southwest monsoon. Some research has been done to know which location is the best to build solar stations in Malaysia. As in Peninsular Malaysia, northern region have received highest solar radiation. The research mentioned Chuping, Bayalbas, and Jesh Town. For East Malaysia, Kota Kinabalu is selected.